from the sun. People get ready, 'cause here it comes. It's a light, a beautiful light, over the horizon, into our eyes. Oh my, how beautiful. Oh my beautiful mother, she told me, son, in life you're gonna go far. If you do it right, you'll love where you are. Just know, wherever you go, you can always come home.
Hello, hi, my dear students. Welcome back to English Learning with me, your teacher, Mrs. Hastin, in SMP Sabris 2 Palembang YouTube channel. We've listened together the song entitled 90 Million Miles. Yeah? Who's the singer? Have you ever listened the song before? It is a nice song and quite popular among teenagers. It is a happy song. Anybody knows what the song is about? If you want to know more about the song, stay tuned then. Okay, while you're listening to me, let's prepare this textbook and look at chapter 11. What are we going to learn today? Look, everybody, it is written here that we are going to learn to get the message from a song. What for? Why do we need to sing songs? To understand the message of a song. Many songs affect our life. We learn positive things from songs. We learn songs, especially this song, in order to be a better person. Okay, these are our basic competencies today. Okay, next, let's look at what the meaning of song is. Yeah, song is a musical composition intended to be performed by the human voice. Ya, jadi lagu itu adalah gubahan seni, nada atau suara dalam urutan, kombinasi, dan hubungan temporal untuk menghasilkan gubahan musik yang mempunyai kesatuan dan kesinambungan. Ya, atau dengan kalimat lain, lagu itu adalah ragam nada atau ragam suara yang berirama. Okay, next. What is the social function of songs? Yeah, songs are used to express personal feeling, idea, or culture, entertain the listeners, teach moral value, and give someone an emotional connection. Ya, lagu merupakan salah satu cara untuk mengekspresikan emosi dan perasaan dengan cara yang menyenangkan. Lagu dapat menjadi media untuk menyampaikan kritik tentang situasi yang ada di masyarakat. Lagu juga dapat menjadi sarana untuk menanamkan pesan moral bagi pendengarnya. Jadi moral value itu biasanya tersirat dalam lirik yang dibuat oleh penulis lagu. Next, how about the characteristics or language features in a song? Yeah, let's look at some of them. The first one it's about imagery. Ya, lagu sering menggunakan perumpamaan yang digunakan untuk menggambarkan perasaan dan emosi. Kemudian the second one, rhythm atau ritme. Ritme pada lagu digunakan untuk menciptakan mood. Ya, misalnya apabila kita sedang bersedih, rindu, galau, dan mendengarkan lagu yang ritmenya slow, maka kita akan terbawa suasana dengan lagu tersebut. Ya, hasilnya kita akan semakin galau. Betul atau betul? Makanya kalau lagi galau, dengarkan lagu yang berirama cepat ya supaya membuat kita bersemangat kembali. Next. Okay, next characteristics it's about repetition. Ya, pengulangan kata-kata atau kalimat. Jadi dalam lirik lagu pasti banyak ya pengulangan kata atau kalimatnya. Kemudian next, figurative language, ya, bahasa kiasan. Kalian pasti sudah belajar bahasa yang bersifat perlambang atau majas ya. Kalian pasti sudah belajar bersama Ibu Siska. Nah, majas yang biasanya digunakan dalam lagu antara lain metaphor, ya, comparing two things that are not alike to suggest that they actually have something in common. Ya, sekilas memang kedua hal yang dibandingkan itu tidak berkaitan, tetapi sebenarnya ada kesamaan antara dua hal tersebut. Contohnya, time is a thief. Her hair was silk. Ya, itu contohnya. Kemudian majas yang kedua itu simile. Simile compares two things. Ya, membandingkan dua benda, dua hal using like or as. Suatu hal digambarkan dengan hal yang mirip dengan menggunakan kata like atau as. Contohnya, my love is like a red rose. Alah. Oke, next. Majas yang ketiga, personification. Ya, an object appears like a person. Objek yang bukan manusia itu digambarkan memiliki kemampuan seperti manusia. Contohnya, the snowflakes danced in the mine. Oh. Oke, next. Next majas itu ada hyperbole. Ya, a dramatic language. Suatu hal yang digambarkan secara berlebihan. Ya, kalau kita bilang itu lebay. Terkadang menggelitik karena terlalu lebay atau terlalu berlebihan. Contohnya, that math homework took me 8 million years to finish. Ya, saking susahnya jadi membutuhkan 8 million years to finish. Ya, lebay sekali ya. Oke, next. Majas yang terakhir, alliteration, ya, the repetition of the same beginning sound in a series of words. Jadi ada perulangan bunyi atau suara yang terdapat di awal setiap kata. Okay, for example, Peter Parker picks a pack of pens packed punctually. Ya, Peter Parker picks a pack of pens punctually. Ya, nanti latihan sendiri ya, ada banyak yang seperti itu. Next, let's look at the structure. Yeah, songs contain various forms, such as those including the repetition and variation of sections. Ya, tapi struktur lagu itu tidak bersifat kaku atau baku. Jadi tidak semua lagu memiliki struktur yang tersusun menjadi beberapa bagian seperti ini. Ya, tidak baku. Nah, strukturnya, bagian-bagiannya kira-kira ada intronya. Bagian awal lagu, biasanya belum terdengar suara penyanyi. Jadi hanya instrumennya saja. Kemudian bagian berikutnya ada verse atau bait, bagian pengantar ya sebelum menuju ke chorus. Kemudian ada refrain ya, hampir sama dengan chorus. Bedanya refrain itu lebih sederhana daripada chorus. Kemudian bagian berikutnya ada chorus, bagian inti, ya biasanya bagian yang paling mudah diingat. Jadi ini bagian inti atau pesan atau inti cerita dari lagu. Ya, biasanya kalian hanya terngiang-ngiang ininya saja, chorusnya aja karena paling mudah diingat. Next, ada bridge, ya, digunakan untuk menghubungkan antara bagian-bagian lagu. Misalnya penghubung chorus ke verse, misalnya. Kemudian yang terakhir ada coda atau ekor lagu, ya. Bagian akhir lagu berupa nada atau syair untuk menutup lagu. Tidak semua lagu ada kodanya. Okay, next. Okay, that's about the structure of a song. Yeah, if you want to know more about song, ask your art teacher. Ask Mrs. Ruli. Yeah. Okay. Next. Okay, you've already known that one of song's social function is to teach moral value. So next, let's listen to song once again. Let's sing together and pay attention to the lyric that contain messages. Yeah, come on, let's sing together.
Get ready, 'cause here it comes, it's a light, a beautiful light, over the horizon, into our eyes. Oh my, how beautiful, oh my beautiful mother, she told me, son, in life you're gonna go far. If you do it right, you'll love where you are. Just know, wherever you go, you can always come home. 240,000 miles from the moon, we've come a long way to belong here, to share this view of the night, a glorious night. Over the horizon is another bright sky. Oh my, how beautiful. Oh my, irrefutable Father, he told me, son, sometimes it may seem dark, but the absence of the light is a necessary part. Just know you're never alone. You can always come back you can always come back. Every road is a slippery slope. There is always a hand that you can hold on to. Looking deeper through the telescope, you could see that your home's inside of you. Just know that wherever you go, no, you're never alone. You will always get back from the sun. People get ready, 'cause here it comes. It's a light, a beautiful light, over the horizon into our eyes.
Okay, students, have you found all of the lyrics that contain message or messages? Okay, let's look at one by one. Yeah, about this message. If you are a good person, you will always be happy wherever you are. Ya, kita bisa menemukan pesan moral ini dalam lirik Son, in life you're gonna go far, and if you do it right, you love where you are. Ya, Mem nggak bisa nyanyi, jadi dibacain aja. Oke, nanti bisa didengarkan kembali ya. Pesannya seperti itu, kemudian lirik lagunya yang mana sih? Kalian bisa mencarinya dalam lagu. Next. Okay, how about this? When you find a problem, don't worry because there is always something that you can learn from it. Ya, ini moral value-nya, pesan moralnya kita bisa menemukan di dalam lirik Son, sometimes it may seem dark, but the absence of the light is a necessary part. Okay. Nanti didengarkan lagi ya. Okay, now please try to find other lyrics that contain of these three messages. Ya, silahkan dicari di dalam liriknya yang mana sih yang mengandung pesan moral seperti ketiga yang ada di sini. Have you found all of the lyrics? Very good. Okay, so guys, today we have learned important values through listening to songs. Yeah, especially the song that we have listened today entitled 93 Million Miles, sung by Jason Mraz. Yeah, it teaches us that our home, our family, is always be there to help us, to support us, to cheer us up. Ya, iya atau iya, setuju atau setuju. Ya, no matter how difficult our life is, they always be there. Ya, there is always a place that we can always come back. Yes, our home. Okay, next, guys, let's listen to our favorite songs. What is your favorite song? And let's find the important value or message of the song. Oh yeah, don't forget it's about English song, yeah? Not Korean song this time. Because I know your favorite song is Korean. Okay, thanks to these two channels for nice songs and also Slidego for the beautiful PowerPoint templates. So, my dearest students, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe this YouTube channel and also follow SMP Suffers to Palembang social medias in Instagram and Facebook too. Thank you for today. Don't forget to love our family. Stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.